Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to get a new show alerts on Amazon Prime Video. So open up the Amazon Prime Video app or go to the website to sign in. Click on your account name at the top right, and look for settings in our account settings option, and then choose notifications. Turn on notifications for new releases, trailers, and updates about shows you follow. Adjust your settings to specify how and when you want to receive alerts, like email or app notifications. Once set up, you will receive notifications for new shows and episodes. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.